Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Flowers are the site of sexual reproduction. Flowers are very attracting and fascinating organs of the plants. They are of varied colors, scents, shapes and sizes. Let us understand the basic structure of a flower. It consists of stigma where pollen grain lands. This stigma is here fused with ovary. This is the anther and this is the style. There are two petals and two sepals. Flowers have been closely associated with human beings since long because we use flowers to convey our feelings, be it happiness, be it joy, be it sorrow. In this chapter, we will be studying morphology, structure and process of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. It will involve pre-fertilization phase, fertilization phase and post-fertilization phase. Let us understand and study pre-fertilization phase first. In pre-fertilization phase, even before the appearance of flowers, many hormonal and structural changes in the plant begins to appear, which leads to the formation of inflorescence. This inflorescence then grows into flower, floral parts, and in floral parts there are two parts, male reproductive parts and female reproductive parts. Male reproductive parts are stamen, microsporangium and pollens. A stamen typically consists of two parts, anther and this long cylindrical filament. Anther is usually bilobed and is having two thecas, that is dithequous. Now let us see this anther in an enlarged view. You will see that it is a four-sided structure consisting of four microsporangium. These microsporangium grows into pollen sacs at the later stage. This microsporangium consists of four layers: epidermis, endothecium, middle layers and tapetum. The upper three layers, which is epidermis, endothecium and middle layer, is responsible for the protection of anther and for the bursting of anthers so that pollen grains can be dispersed, whereas the innermost layer, tapetum, it provides nourishment to the developing pollen grains. It is having thick and dense cytoplasm as well as it is having many nucleuses, and it provides nourishment and growth support to the developing pollen grains. This microsporangium is consisting at very early stages of anther. It consists of sporogenous tissues which is centrally located in microsporangium. You can see here, these are the pollens. Here you can see this anther will burst like this and these pollens will be distributed. Now further we will be studying microsporogenesis, which leads to the formation of pollen grains.